God says to you now, my child, that within the next 12 your life is going to explode with happiness, prosperity, and good health. Fountain is like having options and a chance to knock on your door. If you can easily pay your expenses with your money, pay off your debts. Things will improve shortly, and love will blossom in this setting. Prepare your life for the ascent to a brand new, thrilling chapter in your journey. Love will become more powerful, faith will endure, health will improve, and if you believe, things will get better and more abundant, just like in this video. That God is working extremely hard to make up for every error you make. Victory the Lord promises to always be with you, to fight your battles and bring about the changes you desire. Better, and you'll have tranquility in your life during difficult circumstances. Contentment kind, God is with me, or He's going to open the door you've been waiting for, because my wish is that the upcoming 7 days would be abundant with love and you will heal if you watch this film through to the end and find happiness and peace. Completely free from illness and debt, you are being taken away by the good God. From suffering, hardship, and deprivation to a period of healing, ease, and as October begins, keep in mind that this is your opportunity to reclaim what you may have experienced difficulties, but I'm here to support you in recovering. It's time to greetings to a prosperous and happy life that comes to you without your having to do anything. Money will enter your life and lead to many opportunities for you to explore. You'll have more money in the coming months, and your mental and romantic lives will flourish. If you think that Jesus ever stated, "Give me your," type 1111, more than you ever believed possible. Burdens and live not for yourself, but for me. I'll ease your anxieties and encourage you to persevere through your worst moments, my child. Welcome to a fresh chapter in a special time with countless possibilities. Opportunities. One possess the ability to completely transform your life, bringing you from leave your issues and sorrows behind if you want to become wealthy and prosperous. Because no matter what issues you face this weekend, remember that I will replace them with money and happiness. That God is greater and more powerful than anything you encounter. Rather than relying, put your trust in God and let Him handle your problems and fears without assistance. Send inquiries to God if you believe He is capable of handling anything more. Take care of them all this week. Positive improvements will occur in your life. You can anticipate successes and new opportunities. The good news is your health has improved. And achieve greater financial success. Things are improving for you, right? Now, and I think God will transform you by transforming your suffering into joy. The good things He has planned for you will come through doors and opportunities. If you think that you and your family are beyond your wildest dreams, type 12, please let us know. Please support our Christian community by making a supersized donation of up to $2. Please assist us in continuing to share the communication from God. Your heartfelt gratitude concerning the difficult moments and sleepless nights you've had. Our God is prepared to provide you with whatever you've been. Today is the day to wait and hope for love, health, and benefits in the future. Going to be a fantastic day with wonderful news, prosperity, and luck. Blessings, personal development, fresh opportunities, and efficiency. Responses to God's and hopes. Repairing love. Hey, you had a difficult day yesterday, but today is better as God made it. Truly has a very special gift for you. Love will overflow from it. You'll speak with excitement, enthusiasm, laughing, and excellent news today. Development success positive experiences that boost chances and pay off an unexpected shock supernatural strength medical advancement it may take years for God's intentions to come to pass, just as Abraham and Joseph had to doors in our lives at this moment, and He's preparing you to walk through them. Remember that God is arranging things, waging your battles, to assist you and provide a path even when it doesn't appear to be one. Not likely that you'll be in front of your dream car in 6 months. Brand new home. Are you astounded by your $1 million bank account? Enter yes if you think this is true, and I'll hear you when you pray to me. I'll repair your body, mind, and spirit no matter what, a peace that no one can comprehend. What you're going through, may God lavish you with unimaginable blessings. Need to do is give me a call, and I'll instantly calm you down and make you happy. Be there for you as you embark on a crucial new chapter in your life. Survived the difficult periods and are currently progressing toward the finest I'm proud of. We have observed how courageous and resilient you are in the face of adversity, my child. You trust me, therefore I've been by your side every step of the way. Now is the right time for you to take control of your life, as I have wonderful things in store for you. Considering what you've done this week in my honor, please prioritize me. I'll make your dreams come true and I'll light up your way, I promise. When it appears like there is no hope left, I'll show you how to find amazement and beauty. Lost, know that I'm here to help. Take my hand, and I'll lead the way. Remain motionless. And understand that I am God. With my help, anything is possible. Bless you. And hug you tightly, my face shining on you as I show you how nice I am. I raise my face to you and grant you serenity. Allow me to be your pillar of support and comfort. Have faith in me, and I'll eliminate any indications of anxiety, fear, inadequacy, and suffering. If you have faith in me, I promise to fill your life with prosperity, perks, and peace of mind. Declare aloud, Lord, please deliver me from all of my sins and take me securely to His heavenly home. I promise you that His reign will always be adored. If you trust God, please trust me to show you the route to your rightful place in paradise. Type 999. Feel I'm capable of more than you could ever imagine. This would be your time of plenty. Is here, and I'm prepared to give you my gifts. Have faith in miracles, and anticipate they should occur in your life. Know that I am here for you no matter what because I adore you. Know that I am here to hold you when things become tough and you feel terrified and alone. I am the one who is so kind. Thank you for your hand leading you to the light. You consider your life to be a priceless gift, and you should cherish each moment. While if you come to me for guidance and direction, you're lost or unsure about what to do. Never forget, my darling, that I will always be by your side. I promise never to lead you astray. The hardest periods in life are when you need to remain strong, through good times and bad. The most important thing is to never give up hope. I promise to gently walk you down the correct route, and keep in mind that, although physicians, attorneys, and military personnel can provide temporary assistance, only I can provide you with. I promise to live forever and to show you the path to happiness and tranquility. Forever, so bow down, my darling kids, and ask me to guide and watch over you. I'll always be available to you, ready to listen, take your call, and answer it. Keep me in your heart, and I'll shield you from any danger. Know that I'm always there for you. I am your Father, watching over you, knowing your heart and directing all of your step you consider and what you truly desire, life can occasionally be difficult. There may be moments when you feel lost or alone, but know that I'm here for you at all times. To leave you, so come to me in silence and pray to me if you're having problems. Your heart without any hesitation, and I'll listen to you. I swear to return your faith. When you search for me covertly in public, I bless a lot of individuals and am grateful for they succeed, yet it saddens me when they talk about their victories without considering me. Keep in mind that I am the one providing you with the job that they have done on their own. Strength, knowledge, and opportunities to pursue music, so when you do, express gratitude. You understand that I am a part of your life, and to keep in touch with me, I will show you the path to your destiny and bless you in a way that only God can. I advise him to love his enemies and show kindness to them because I love my darling children. It may be difficult for people who harbor hate, but it's crucial if you want to live a happy life, darling. Your adversaries might have second thoughts and come to me. Much more, you emulate Christ and become a better person by showing love to your adversaries. A powerful reminder to me that worshiping the church or addressing me as Lord won't be sufficient, you also have to follow my Heavenly Father's wishes. It is His desire that you love yourself and your friend equally. I'm glad when I live a life of love because it allows you to join me in my universe. However, pride, vanity, and money prevent you from reaching me, making it impossible to. Despite the difficulties you may have faced, my kingdom and my dear children have hope today. You may have sobbed over losses and disappointments at various periods, wondering what was going on, but you should be aware that I am the God of redemption and healing. Nice things allow me to transform your ashes into beauty, your grieving into dance, and I shall publicly transform my sorrow into happiness in front of your opponents. That you may come to me when you need some alone time because I am your God and I love you. Love your enemies, obey your Father's wishes, and have faith in my ability to heal. Stay near you and shower you with blessings you could never have imagined while your tears fall threefold. God is with you, dear one, God loves you, and God is sad with you. I've been hoping for the next 7 days to see you and is waiting for you at the door. Go from this world because a period of peace, love, and happiness is about to begin. I'm ending every negative cycle in your life and ushering in a brand new period of liberty and fortune for you. Type 222 to obtain it as the one who is about to receive plenty created you, and I promise to look after you till the end. You are precisely how I imagine that I will always be available to assist in saving you in times of need. Is your chance to make up for all that the adversary has stolen from you. It will be made right, and you will be given more. Presents more than before, my lovely child, trust me, I've been with you during every stage of life that provides you with security and fortitude even in the face of adversity, and I possess the ability to transform your negative circumstances into positive ones. Whatever your circumstances in private, realize that your prayers can result in public miracles. God is with you, that He watches over the footsteps of those who delight in Him, and even if you stumble, you won't fall because the Lord is holding you up to prepare you for abundant wealth, improved health, and more solid interpersonal bonds. Place your trust in God beyond everything else, and I declare that the curse has been broken, witnessing miracles when you make these small life changes. Your money will increase and your health will improve. Even though we are at our lowest point, God continues to work miracles that transform our lives for the better. I'm here to open doors that have been closed and shut for too long, and your life will miraculously transform. Take your brokenness and let it go. I'll fix it, my little kid. Your plan has my complete support, and any roadblocks will be taken away, and you'll achieve achievement that surpasses all of your expectations if you consistently place your faith in the Lord and don't depend just on your own understanding. Allow God to be and know that I will be a part of every aspect of your life, even on your worst days. I'm here to make you happy and help you calm down if you're having trouble getting back on track.